Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we want to find the work for the stretched steel rod. So the diameter is 0.6 centimeters, so that's 6 millimeters. The length of the rod is 11 meters, and the elongation is 4 centimeters. The Young's modulus is 21 kilonewtons per centimeter squared, so that's E for the symbol for Young's modulus. Okay, so step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We got a steel rod. It's 6 millimeters or 0.6 centimeters in diameter. The length is 11 meters. That's a typo. And it stretches 4 centimeters. Okay. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. They give us the diameter 0.6 centimeters, the length 11 meters. Young's modulus E, which is 21 kilonewtons per centimeter squared. And then we've got our elongation, which is 4 centimeters. It's actually not 4 centimeters because of the formula. It's actually 4 centimeters divided by 11 meters. But we'll get to that. Okay, step 3. Find the formula for work for the rod. So it is the initial volume of the rod multiplied by the Young's modulus divided by 2 multiplied by the change in elongation. So this epsilon symbol is elongation, and it is the final minus the initial. Both are squared. So we are missing the volume, so step 4, find the volume formula for the rod or cylinder in this case. So it will be pi multiplied by d squared divided by 4 multiplied by length. So that's just your area of a circle multiplied by the length. So step 5, find the volume. So first we need to convert our 0.6 centimeters to meters. So 0.6 centimeter divided by 100. So that's 0.006 meters. Okay, plug and play. So pi multiplied by 0.006 meters squared divided by 4 multiplied by 11 meters. That will give you 0.000311 meters cubed. So step 6, now we can backtrack and find the work. So we just found our volume, which is right here. Our Young's modulus is given in the question, then divide by 2. Like I said, the elongation is actually 0.04 meters, so that's converting 4 centimeters to meters, then divided by the total length of the rod, which is 11 meters, then squared, then minus 0, so 0 being the unstretched rod. Okay, so that will give you 4.31802 times 10 to the power of minus 4. I'm missing a symbol. 1 second. Okay. Kilojoules. So what that really is 0.431802 joules of work. Disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool. Open the program. Once you have it open, click on the video option. Then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in the snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. So thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time. Oh wait. So, if you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Alright, until next time, see ya.